What's up, guys? Today we're going to be looking at different tips that we can use into a drill with an impact or a drill, and the most commonly used ones. So we're going to start off with talking about the numbers and the name of the proper tip. So starting out, we're going to discuss the Phillips tip, which is probably the most commonly used next to the flathead. This is a Phillips tip, and this is a number 1, which is the smallest tip they make in a Phillips. As it goes up in size, we have a number 2, and then there's the number 3, which is the bigger tip of the Phillips. Okay, the next one we're going to discuss is the Torx. And this is a T15. They go from T15 up to T30 in size. So you're going to go T15, T20, T25, and then the T30 is the biggest one of the 3 of the Torx. So the third one we're discussing today is the square 1, which is the smallest square they make. And then we got square 2, square 3, which is the bigger one of those. And then the fourth is the flathead screwdriver. I'd like to explain the step-up bit, or we call them unibit, which will start off as a 1/4-inch hole, and then each rung jumps up another hole size, which is labeled on there. And it can go up to 3/4 of an inch on this one. Alright guys, so that is kind of the rundown on the tips. And if you need or have any more questions on how they go into or out of a drill or a impact, you'd have to refer back to my first video that I made.